Hey, KrankeyRVers here. Old Cranky. Cranky, not cranky, and Junior Cranky all here. Hey, just doing a video. Going to show you some of the places we visited this last few days. Went to the Hoover Dam for the first time. What an awesome thing. Thinking about there's enough concrete in that dam right there to make a two-lane road from Los Angeles all the way to New York. And the next day, we went to the Red Rock Canyon and me, Jonna, and Matt did. He was out here visiting us for a few days, and what a beautiful, beautiful hike. Matt and I did a hike of 4 hours. Took us about another day to get over that bad boy, but we saw the tanks were up at the top of a big canyon, and then we got to climb to the top of the mountain, do an overview of Las Vegas. Then yesterday we went to the Grand Canyon West. Went over out on the skywalk that is on the Indian reservation there. Took a tour of a couple different places and ate lunch out there. It was raining and got down to 39 degrees, but we still had a wonderful day, and I hope you enjoy the pictures. Some beautiful, beautiful things that God's created for us to be able to enjoy, to see. And if you never get to have the opportunity to come and see these things, I hope you enjoy the pictures. God bless you. Like, subscribe, and share with your friends. And hope you enjoy as we share with you. God bless you. Pray for us, and we'll pray for you.